Bitcoin hits a new high in history. The establishment of an 80,000 strong air force has led to a surge in long funds. Will there be a big pullback? This bull market may really be different. Ethereum has returned to its historical high. The essence of the flow of funds into the second layer network is liquidity outflow. A large amount of funds have entered the altcoin track. The emerging altcoins have been rising while the old ones have been falling. How to view the old altcoins? Resurgence or lingering resistance. Before MKR skyrocketed, we repeatedly recommended it in videos and communities. Did you buy it? Are these old tokens rising one after another, the Doomsday Oracle, or the start of the bull market? Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today, the Bitcoin trading pair on OKX exchange reached a new high, price approaching around 72,000 US dollars. As for the weekly level, Bitcoin already surpassed high point of previous bull market. Net inflow of Bybit, ETF of BlackRock, also very exaggerated on daily basis. That trading volume has already surpassed GPTC recently, and Bybit has also risen all the way due to capital inflows. The buying signal is very exaggerated. The annualized funding rate of BTC has reached 16%, which is very, very high at the moment. The concentrated liquidation can bring about 68,000 to 71,000 US dollars. The recent contract long-short ratio is much better than the short side. The contract volume of the Bitcoin weekly level is also very strong on the downside, so there is currently no sign of the short side. What about the daily line? In addition to a slight increase and subsequent decline in the first 2 days, the daily line continues. The bearish side did not show up in the daily chart, so do not cap the Bitcoin when it is in a bullish trend. This is my redrawn Bitcoin ascending channel based on the previous few times we saw that it touched the upper axis, including the downward pin bar and the downward pin bar. I think this channel is still relatively applicable to Bitcoin at the moment, but we still need some time to observe. Those who are interested can also take a screenshot for reference. I will put the current position at 0. 618 up because 0. Both 786 and the upper axis belong to a multi-party main force area, which are around $730 and $750 respectively. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart to see the bearish side below. Recently, it has been very weak. Many friends are panicking and doubting whether Bitcoin will fall after reaching a new high. From the 4-hour level, I think the bearish side has not shown any signs of strength, so everyone should pay more attention. If a doge or shooting star appears at the top after observing the next few 4-hour trends, everyone needs to pay attention. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to see if the bears are trying to exert force from below, but their flames are quickly extinguished by the bulls. In short, the bull market does not speak of its peak, and the bear market does not speak of its bottom. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Recently, Ethereum has also been warming up as a whole. Today, the GameFi track that has attracted much attention is witnessing a significant rise in tokens. Both YG, GaxLX, and MX, the old coins, are experiencing thriving growth. In terms of new coins, Pixels has reached an all-time high, making it a standout performer. Notably, Pixels is listed on the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance, further contributing to its success and visibility in the market. Launchpad recently launched a new token. Its daily active users reached 500,000, Alex's peak was 200,000, and the rise of GameFi token was due to the Global Oil Refining Conference on March 18th. Pay attention to this key point. Those who make profit can sell the principal and keep the profit running. On the platform side, BNB, OKB, and BGB have all experienced an increase. We have also stated in the initial stages of the video that purchasing OKB during a bullish market is a fantastic strategy because it allows everyone to participate in the launch of new coins as well. What other sectors are worth buying in the near future? I think CHZ and fan tokens are still worth buying because of the European Cup and the Olympics this year. These tokens are bound to continue to rise. Today, a friend asked me about YGG. Alex, how do you perceive old-fashioned altcoins like Mina? My personal viewpoint is that in the previous bull market, whether it was Gala, Elix, YGG, or Mbox SMD, These games all achieved exceedingly high valuations in the previous round of growth and garnered significant attention from investors. NFTs, altcoins, or GameFi, they are basically a capital overflow process. Finance's essence is capital overflow. The initial holders of tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum have already gained sufficient profits, so they will naturally invest in other assets, known as portfolio diversification and position management. Hence, I think Cancun's upgrade is imminent. The next sector rotation will be more intense and high frequency, and old tokens will also rise successively. This is a general manifestation of a bull market, a time of capital frenzy, regardless of new or old. In a bull market, all tokens rise rapidly, like a sword out of its sheath. These tokens are the result of our long-term layout. Today we sow, and tomorrow we reap. We buy daily. Register on the exchange via the link. That's it. Goodbye.